Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Google Authenticator from your Gmail account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This ensures you have access to all your authentication settings before making any changes. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to access your Gmail settings. Open the Gmail app from your phone and direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, so go ahead and tap on it. This will reveal a menu with several additional options for managing your account. From the list of options that appears, click on Manage Your Google Account. This section houses all your important account settings and security features, giving you full control over how your Gmail account operates and stays protected. Next, look for the security option and open it to reveal more detailed settings. This is where Google keeps all the tools related to protecting your account, including two-factor authentication methods and other security measures that help keep your information safe. Now, swipe up through the menu until you find the Authenticator option. Once you locate it, tap on it to open your Authenticator settings. At this point, you might be prompted to enter your password to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to these sensitive settings. Go ahead and enter your Gmail password when prompted, then press Next to proceed. After verifying your identity, you'll be taken to a screen that displays all the active authenticators linked to your Gmail account. This view shows you every authentication method currently connected, giving you a complete overview of your account's security setup. From here, removing the authenticator is straightforward. Simply click on the trash bin icon next to the authenticator you want to remove. This action tells Google you'd like to disconnect this particular authentication method from your account. A prompt window will then appear asking you to confirm whether you wish to proceed with the removal. This confirmation step is important because removing an authenticator affects how you access your account. Click on OK to proceed with the removal, and Google will immediately disconnect the authenticator from your Gmail account, and that's it. You've successfully removed Google Authenticator from your Gmail account, giving you the flexibility to use different security methods or reconfigure your authentication setup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.